Are you considering buying the Comet shoes but unsure if they're worth it? In this video, we'll look at these trendy sneakers, covering everything from their design and comfort to durability and value. We'll explore whether the Comet X Lows are a smart addition to your sneaker collection. Whether you're a sneaker enthusiast or simply need a reliable pair for daily use, this review will help you decide. So, are the Comet X Lows shoes a good buy? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, His Wardrobe. Today, we're diving into a detailed Comet shoes review, and I'll be taking you guys through the design, the quality of the materials, and sharing my on-feet experience to see if these sneakers live up to the hype. Plus, I will discuss the price and wrap it all up with a final verdict on whether the Comet X Lows are worth your money. So are you ready to see what these kicks are all about? Let's get started. When we talk about sneakers, brands like Nike, Adidas, Reebok, and Puma quickly come to mind, famous for their iconic designs but often with hefty price tags. But what if you could grab a trendy, high-quality pair without spending a fortune? Enter Comet X Lows, a shoe that offers style, comfort and durability at a budget-friendly price. Let's unbox it and see if Comet sneakers are worth it or not. Starting with the packaging, which is not so good, I got the box in a bit damaged condition, which might be disappointing for some. As a sneakerhead, I expected premium packaging. Next, inside the box there is a dust bag included, which is a nice touch. The dust bag helps keep your sneakers clean and protected when you're not wearing them or while traveling. It's especially useful for maintaining the fresh look of your shoes by preventing dust, dirt and scuffs. Although the box quality isn't great, the inclusion of a dust bag shows some thoughtfulness in the overall presentation. Here's something I didn't expect: extra laces of black color. Always a nice touch to give some customization options. The box also includes an envelope with some information and details about the shoes, which adds a nice personal touch. It covers everything from care instructions to product details, making it easy to understand how to maintain your sneakers. And wait, we've got stickers too. These are perfect if you're into adding a personal touch to your gear or laptop. Next, we've got butter paper inside, wrapping the sneakers to keep them well protected. If you're someone who values presentation and extras, this is a pair to consider. Let me know in the comments what you think about this unboxing. Now let's talk about the sneakers. If you're looking for a versatile pair of shoes that won't break the bank but still make a statement, then you're in the right place. Well, let me introduce you to the Comet X Lows. These shoes are specifically designed for Indian feet, with a wide and roomy toe box that offers the perfect fit for broader feet. The derby construction ensures a comfortable, breathable fit all day long. Plus, they're super easy to slip on and off. No more struggling with laces every time you need to leave the house. Just tie them once and you're good to go. The toe box of the Comet X Lows is designed to offer both comfort and functionality. It provides ample space to prevent any pinching or discomfort, making them suitable for long hours of wear. The material around the toe box is reinforced for durability while maintaining a sleek look, ensuring your toes stay protected without compromising on style. Whether you're walking, running, or just rocking them casually, the toe box ensures a snug yet breathable fit for all-day comfort. What's even better, the 3-layer Spacewalk sole tech keeps your feet light and supported whether you're on a morning run or heading out for a night out. Sounds good, right? Now, let's talk durability. These shoes are built to last. The materials are super sturdy and the outsole is tested to handle all kinds of conditions, from your daily commute to outdoor adventures. You can also pull the backside leather where the tagline "Never Shy" is written. And the best part? Cleaning them is a breeze. Just grab a damp cloth and a quick swipe and they look as good as new. So, if you're looking for a pair of stylish, comfortable and durable sneakers that fit perfectly and require no fuss, the Comet X Lows are worth considering. The Comet X Lows stand out not just for their style and comfort but also for their affordable pricing. While most sneakers with similar features can cost a fortune, these shoes balance quality and budget. They're perfect for anyone looking to elevate their sneaker game without emptying their wallet. Value for money is the key highlight here. You get premium looks and reliable performance at a fraction of the price of bigger brands. One thing to note is that with the Comet X Lows, you usually need to go a size down from your regular shoe size for the best fit. They tend to run slightly large, so sizing down ensures maximum comfort and a better overall feel. It is also available in 22 variant colors, such as Tiramisu, Hazelnut, Snow, Goblin, Madagascar, Mr. Claus, Pinecone, Dark, Ghost, Grayscale, Blackcurrant, Ash, Wasabi, Lagoon, Twister, Light, Chestnut, Flamingo, Pistachio, Blue Jay, Highs, Light and Starburst. What do you think, guys? Ready to give them a try? Now the question is, would I recommend it? Well, if you're on a budget and looking for a stylish, reliable pair of sneakers, the Comet X Lows are totally worth considering. They offer great comfort, a solid build, and a sleek design that works for both casual and athletic looks. I have been hearing a lot of people talking about its design similarity to Nike. Frankly, I also agree that the resemblance is there, but that doesn't bother me at all. The quality is good, look is good, and you are getting it for under 4,000 rupees. What else do you need? What do you think about these Comet sneakers? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing and review videos. See you in the next one.